Welcome back, guys, to our channel Blazo. Today we have two Super Indian fans. Hi Tarun, hi Pratik.
Hello, both of
I
you.
think
Guys, we have a SL tour coming up. So, biggest question out of the box is: has Kulcha lost their flavor?
not completely. I think this would be their last chance for revival, I guess, because there are
Mhm.
lots of spinners emerging right now for India. Like Rahul Chair is an
Right.
option. Akshar Patel has been really impressive. So Varun Chakravarti, of course. So looking at the T20 World Cup coming up, this might be the last chance for both of them to come back to the Indian team. But if they are at their best, if they come back to their best form, it will really help India because they both complement each other. Like you
Right.
see, Chahal can build pressure on batsmen by not giving easy runs, and that helps Kuldeep to take wickets, and that's a really good partnership. We often don't talk about
Right.
partnerships in bowling, but they are really important. Two bowlers have to complement each other in order to take wickets.
Mhm.
And in T20 internationals, you know the value of a wicket. If you take a wicket, you can cut down a team by 10 to 12 runs. So that's really important. And I hope they come back to their best and they both play the World Cup for India this year.
Right.
Talking about the two, I am not really concerned about Yuzvendra Chahal, but I must say Kuldeep Yadav hasn't been the same from after that IPL 2019 season that he had with KKR.
Right.
It was not a good season for him. Few matches he considered more than 50 runs. So after that, his confidence hasn't been the same.
Mhm.
uh, literally cannot see how he can come back to the Indian team if he doesn't perform well in this Sri Lanka tour. Because we have a lots of spinners lining up. Ravindra Jadeja has been in fantastic form over the last 2 years. Has literally
Right.
become irreplaceable. We have new talents like Varun Chakravarti, as Pratik said. Ravi Bishnoi is an emerging talent. We have Shreyas
Yes.
Gopal from Rajasthan Royals. So it is a healthy competition, but Yadav has to literally start performing well if he has to be in contention for that World T20 spot. Otherwise, it would be really difficult. I don't see him getting a place in that team.
Right.
I'd like to add that
As we
I'd love to see Kuldeep Yadav getting matches. Like it has been
Yes,
a bit unlucky for him that he hasn't got continuous matches. He gets one game, that too is not able to bowl.
exactly.
So it dents his confidence. So he should be given continuous games, and the captain should back him. That's
Ki-
how he
With
will
KKR
be
also,
built. Yeah,
with KKR also, he has faced the same issue, right? He has not
right.
been given
Yeah.
yes,
many
yes.
matches. The game
I
time is
think,
very important. I've seen in the past
I
that
think,
this culture though is very prominent when Yuzvendra Chahal puts pressure. He's kind of a fearless one in the two. He can go
yes,
for the
yes.
sixes, but he makes sure that Kuldeep comes and then takes the wickets. So, what is your take on that?
Yes, I agree. KKR management could have done better with him. See, literally, in Dubai, he didn't play many matches, which was a
Mhm.
hub for the spin bowlers. This season, of the few matches that we had in the IPL, he didn't play even one match, I think so. So, if you want to get into Indian team, you must make sure that you get into your franchise team first. So
Right.
that was a very bad thing because I think he has to change his IPL team soon in the next season. And talking about the Sri Lanka tour, yes, matches he need match time as much as possible. But if he doesn't perform well, then there are many players in the bench who can replace him. So it all depends on the performance. He has to click as soon as possible. That's all.
Right, right. So let's just hope that this
Yes.
kulcha gets back its flavor and makes a delicious World Cup for us all. And
One more thing, Ritik, I would like to add. See, Kuldeep Yadav is a special kind of bowler. Left arm
mhm,
Chinaman doesn't
Yeah.
is not a so we don't get to see that kind of bowler so much. So I
Yeah.
really hope that Indian team and his franchise team does things that boosts his confidence. We can get back the
right,
Kuldeep Yadav that we had in 2018 because he was devastating for the opponents. And I cannot forget that Maxwell wicket that he took in the Australia tour of India. So I hope we can see that Kuldeep at the back.
Let's hope he has a good season down there, and let's get the cup on our way. Let's hope that Kulcha is back in their form. They will
Yes, yes.
be hunting in pairs now.
Yeah.
So hoping for the best.
Along with the left arm spinner Ravindra Jadeja,
Yeah.
the trio.
Really good trio. It will be a
That's
really good trio.
Very
All
very
of
the
good.
three
them
Very
are
good.
in
must
good
yeah.
hands.
Yeah.
Right. So hoping for the best. Let's see what is there in the box for all of us in the
Yes.
upcoming
Very
tour
very
of
excited.
SL.
Yeah.
Hoping for good health of you guys, and do take care of yourselves and your families and get vaccinated. To all the fans out there, I request you all to get vaccinated as soon as possible to save all of us from COVID-19. And thanks for joining us today. Thank you guys. Thanks for joining us, and
Thank you,
have a great
Ritik.
time ahead. Cheers.
Yes. Yes.